Hi everyone, I'm Carol, and today I'm going to show you how to add tasks through your Infraspeak platform. So if you head on over to the Settings tab on the left-hand corner, and then you scroll over to the Maintenance section, and we're going to click on Settings. Once we are here, we are then going to choose the type of equipment in which we want to add tasks. So I'm going to select the air conditioner. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to click Edit. And the category details have now popped open. So if you head over to the Tasks and Interventions tab, you will see here that you have the option to add a new task. Once you click on Add a new task, a new window is going to pop open. And here you will need to fill in the following fields. So you will need to define what type of task you are setting up. So it can be anything from a correction, an inspection, a cleaning, it can be something a proactive or a replacement. Once you've chosen that, you can head on over and give your task a name, and we're going to call it General Inspection. And then here we can also define if we want to link this task to a specific technical specialty. So to anyone from these technical skills that we have, we can either leave it predefined at general, or we can link it, in this case, to an HVAC technical specialty. We can also rearrange the estimated duration to complete this task. So we can either give it 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours, or not define any duration at all. We also have the option in our list of measurements to tick the measurements that we want to link with this task. Okay. So by ticking the boxes, we have selected these measurements for this task. And then you also have the option in the maintenance tasks if it's for all elements or if it's for a specific characteristic. Okay. And once you're done filling out these details, you're ready to click on Add Maintenance Task. And it's now here in your tasks library. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.